Computer Science Videos here today to show you guys in this tutorial how to add the web application OnlyFans to your bookmarks on the Safari web browser using a Mac computer. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in this tutorial, you need to have access to a Mac computer, have access to an account for OnlyFans. We can now start the tutorial. Before I start this tutorial, I would like to say that you are more than welcome to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. As we know, every problem is solved by indirection. You can also follow my Twitter account. We are trying to grow as fast as ever. I'm on TikTok. We post videos here and there. Follow my page on Facebook. I'm also on Instagram. You are more than welcome to support me on PayPal. Let's now focus on the video. So now let's go all the way down to the dock. Go to Launchpad, go to the web browser, which is Safari in this case. Now let's wait for that to load. And so in the previous tutorials, I have demonstrated to you how to sign up for the account itself, how to verify the email address. What we will now do is create a shortcut for the Bookmarks tab when it comes to creating the next tutorial. For the OnlyFans playlist, we will then navigate to the website, in particular my profile, through the web browser shortcut, which will be on the Bookmarks tab. So let's now search for OnlyFans. Let's go directly to the website itself. Make sure that you are signed into the account. Let's now go to my profile. And now take that URL, right click, copy, or directly move to the Bookmarks tab, and we have now added the OnlyFans profile for your account to the Bookmarks tab. So now if I were to, let's just say, close the web browser, go all the way down to the dock again, go to the web browser, which is Safari in this case. Now let's go to the Bookmarks tab, go to your profile for the OnlyFans account, and there we go. So let's now quit Safari. And so that's it for this video. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Thanks for now. Thank you for making it towards the end of the video. Be sure to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. Be sure to check out the previous video on screen now, or you can ideally click on the playlist and watch all the journey for Computer Science Videos from the start until now.